how I'm gonna do my makeup if ever I go on a date. For skin prep, I'm just gonna use the basics but effective. If you guys notice, yeah, we are having our natural hair moment. Pahinga tayo sa wig. Hindi naman para gulatin ko yung date ko na baka magulat siya na bakit yung anit ko net. Check. Kaya ngayon, we're gonna serve realness. Yes, may buhok po ako under my wig. Love using this lately. This is from Diopro's The Green Caviar Cream Moisturizer. Girl, it gives my skin like moment, like plumpiana. Really love a good moisturizer so much. Like, look at that. This is like a perfect makeup base. Yo. I'm gonna skip the primer na because I want to keep the glow. I will not forget my color corrector. Ayoko mabukayo tayo na isa tayong hator. Check. Ayaw mahulas, use your most powerful foundation. You know why some people don't like bigger brush, but me, dear, oh my god, this is literally my favorite brush ever. Like, look at that. As in, nabiblend niya agad lahat sa face ko, dear. Like, that's blended. I'm going heavy on the bronzer because if you know me, I like myself as a bronze goddess. For the blush, I wanna make it little baby girl color para isipin niya, di ako masyado kinikilig, no? Huwag kang umasa. Over! Now, tell me that's not beautiful, dear. Over! I love that you love my new series lately, yung solo date ko. We're still gonna do that hanggat magkaroon tayo ng ka-date. Over! May watermark na naman ako. Makeup look as of the moment, it's giving banaya. For the lips, I wanted to do something more MLBB para sabihin niya, like, this is a gloss, pero meron siyang pigment, so di mo na need mag-lipstick. And look at that. This is the makeup look all complete. I'm just gonna change lang and I'll be right back. Hello po. Check. Oh my god, this look is so banayad. Oh my god. Sorry na makaka-date ko. Check. Anyways, yun lang. Bye.